How would you like to reduce your energy bill by 25%? Let's close and I'll tell you how that can be done. When searching for a topic for this article, naturally, I gravitated towards HVAC stuff because that's what I'm most used to. And I found one that's perfect. It's about air conditioning and smartphones. The article is Smart Sensors Enable Smart Air Conditioning Control, and it was published in May of 2014 in a journal called Sensors. There's two authors, Chin-Chi Ling and Daxiang Li. I hope I'm pronouncing those guys' names right. They're from the University of Technology in Taipei, Taiwan. Now the article focuses on using wearable smart sensors like the fitness bands you see people wear now, right? To control your air conditioning instead of a standard temperature difference. So we're going to talk about three things from the article. First, we'll go over standard air conditioning technology that's available today. Then we'll talk about the smart sensor idea, and then we'll discuss the results between the two. So first off, there's a lot of different types of air conditioning technology out there today, but basically you can separate them into two groups, the fixed speed compressor type and the variable speed compressor type. So for fixed speed compressors, the air conditioning unit is on full speed from the time you turn it on to the time you turn it off. The variable speed compressor has the ability to vary the compressor speed based on the cooling need. So for the fixed speed type, that's a traditional air conditioning and it dominates the US market. So most likely that's the kind you have in your home. The variable speed is a little bit more pricey and it's the latest technology that's out there today. So the smart sensor idea is to control your air conditioning by human intention rather than just temperature difference. And the way it works is you'll wear the smart sensor and it'll link through your phone to your AC system. Now there's a lot of cool things you can do with this, but the coolest thing is through GPS, the system has the ability to anticipate you making a change in your schedule and arriving home. And it can be aware of you coming home and actually turn your AC unit on and have the space cool down before you even get there. So I don't know if that's the coolest thing I've ever heard or the scariest. Sounds a little bit like those Terminator movies, that's how they started off. So anyway, let's talk about the results between the two and discuss that 25% energy savings. The first thing you want to note is going from a variable speed compressor type to a fixed speed shows a reduction in energy as much as 45%. Then when you add the smart sensor, you can reduce it another 3%. So that's almost 50% savings when you combine those two. Now the article points out that air conditioning accounts for about half of the energy usage in your home. Maybe more down here in Mississippi, it gets a little bit warm. But if you can reduce that by half, then that's where your 25% savings comes from. All right, so I hope you guys learned, had as much fun learning about sensors as I did. We talked about current technologies, and we also talked about the smart sensor idea, and then we went over the results between the two. And I hope you can remember that, in conclusion, if you can couple the variable speed compressor type with the wearable smart sensors, then you can reduce your energy bill by as much as 25%. Thanks, guys.